One of the benefits of growing plants is that plant growing can promote our mental health by boosting our self esteem, providing a learning experience, and fostering creativity. So, speaking of learning and fostering creativity, I want to share a personal experience. This is a colorful heirloom corn that I grew in my garden last year. Now, the beauty of this corn is that it can double as both a popping corn or it can be ground into cornmeal. The experience of growing my own heirloom corn has been both a means of learning something new as well as a source of creativity for me because I'm feeling inspired to learn how to make my own homemade cornmeal. The first step after picking the corn, and this is very important, is that you let it air dry and cure for about 3 months. This helps ensure that the corn is dry and no longer moist. The next step is removing the kernels from the cob. I prefer to use my thumb, but really any finger would do. And now for the fun part. I'm going to grind these corn kernels into a fine cornmeal. And so can you. If you're not able to grow your own garden fresh corn, just purchase some from a local farmer at your local farmer's market. Then all you need is a grain mill that attaches to an artisan mixer like mine right here. So you see, now I have my very own garden fresh cornmeal made from my very own homegrown organic corn. Look at that. Just look at that. I mean, this is loaded with vitamins, nutrients, and just plain old down-home goodness. I can make cornbread, hush puppies. I mean, I could even use this to fry fish or even make homemade fried okra. The only thing I'll have to add to that, the caveat, is to keep it healthy. I recommend using a heart-healthy oil like olive oil, peanut oil, and even sunflower seed oil. So this year we decided to grow a blue corn instead of a traditional white or yellow corn. Now of course the blue color is a novelty, but one of the health benefits of eating brightly colored vegetables is the phytonutrients that they contain. See, increased consumption of phytonutrients has been linked to all kinds of health promotion benefits, such as reducing our risk for diseases, including cancer. This is the last of the Healthy Green Thumbs videos. Susan and I would both like to thank you for participating in our Healthy Green Thumbs campaign. I will keep you updated on my blue corn here, and I'll also feature some cooking and some recipes using my homegrown cornmeal. You can follow me at thenorsefarmer.com as well as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can follow Susan at thenaturenurse.com. Take care, my friends, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.